This is how you can pause and resume a video recording on an iPhone. So you open up the camera app as usual, and you want to, of course, go to the video mode like this. And whenever you start recording a video, you just click on the red dot, and right next to it on the left, you have the pause button. So when you click on the pause, it will literally pause the recording. So you can see we are currently at like 10 seconds. And when I pause it, we can continue. Right, so it just means that now I can move to a different location or whatever. And if I'm happy to continue the video recording, I don't press the button in the middle because that would stop it entirely, but I click on this one on the left again, and we continue. You can see 11, 12, and so on. So that's how it works. That's how you can pause and continue the recording. Just like I said, make sure you don't click the button in the middle unless you want to stop the recording entirely. So that's how it works. Of course, if you don't have this feature, make sure you get the latest version of the iOS in the settings, general, and software update, because it might be the case that your phone is outdated in terms of the software and that you don't have just yet the feature. But that will be all from me. Definitely subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in future uploads.